welcome to this video, and this is all about derivatives. So a short history of derivatives calculus, known in its early history of infinitesimal calculus, is a mathematical discipline focused on limits, continuity, derivatives, integrals, and infinite series. Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz independently developed the theory of infinitesimal calculus in the later 17th century. So derivatives are the fundamental tool of calculus. The derivative of a function of a single variable at a chosen input value, when it exists, is the slope of a tangent line to the graph of function at that point. The tangent line is best linear approximation of the function near that input value. So these are the basic derivative rules. We have the constant rule, constant multiple rule, power rule, sum rule, difference rule, product rule, quotient rule, and of course the chain rule. Alright, so the power rule for any number n, d with respect to dx, x to the power of n is equals to nx to the power of n minus 1. For example, differentiate, find the derivative of each of the following functions. First is y equals to x to the power of 27, and that is y is equals to 1 over x to the power of 27, and then y is equals to square root of x, so we got y equals to 1 over square root of x. So this is how the constant multiple rule for any constant c, d over dx, cf is equals to c, df over dx is equals to cf, c first derivative of x. For example, differentiate the function y is equals to 3x to the power of 5. So dx, d over dx is equals to 3x to the power of 5, that is equals to 3d over dx, x to the power of 5, that is equals to 3 multiplied to 5x to the power of 5, so we got 15x to the power of 4. We have to multiply the constant, that is 3 multiplied to 5, so we got 15. So for the quotient rule, that is, for example, we are given 5x minus 1 over squared plus 2. So we have 6x squared plus 2 multiplied by 5x minus 1 minus 6x squared plus 2 multiplied by 5x minus 1 over x squared plus 2 squared. And then simplify, we got 30x squared plus 10 minus 60x squared plus 12x over 6x squared plus 2 squared. Then we have to simplify it again. We got negative 30x squared plus 12x plus 10 over 6x squared plus 2 squared.